Alright, what we got here is a no crank, no start CS3 4G18 Lancer, right? Mitsubishi Lancer. So the customer basically said the vehicle been down for a while, asked if I could check it out. So I'm trying to tell him, well, hey, it sounds like you're not getting no fuel, so I gotta pop open the tank, right? But he insists that it was working, so I'm here trying to crank it and trying to figure out what's going on with it. Basically, I gotta rev this out just to get it accelerated. So you see all that smoke just to get it to start. Yeah, anytime you get a no crank, no start on your vehicle, right, you check for spark, you check for air, right, the next thing I like to do is go after the fuel, and as you can tell by this fuel condition, it's very dark, right, and as I said, man, this customer said that this car wasn't down, you know, but a few months. Kind of beg to differ, but that's another subject, right? I'm gonna flush out the injectors, gonna clean it, make sure that all is good, and then I'm gonna pull the pump and see the condition of the pump, right? And based on what I'm seeing here on the injectors are very dirty. So if the fuel line and the injectors are in this condition, imagine how the pump gonna look, right? So as I remove the pump, you see how much crap that's built up on this fuel filter, right? Man, you gotta drop this tank, flush this tank out, and replace that pump. This pump was overworking itself, and that was contributing to the no crank, no start situation, right? And restricting the flow of fuel going to the engine, right? So don't neglect your pump, man. Take care of your car, and everything will work out. Once in a while, put a little gas treatment in, and you should be good to go, right? So if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time, take care.